Question number 1. A six-sided die with faces numbered 1 to 6 is rolled, and the top face is observed. What is the probability that the outcome is A, an even number given that it is greater than 2? A is a number greater than 2, and B is an even number, B given A. Saying an even number given that it is greater than 2. A is a number greater than 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6 on a die. An even number is 2, 4, 6. If we have a Venn diagram, I'm going to put all the numbers from the die. So 1 is neither in A or B, so 1 goes there. 2 is in B, 3 is in A, 4 is in both, and 6 is in both. So here's 4. 5 is in A, so down here, and then 6 is in both, so put it right there. Our formula for the probability of B given A, probability of an even number given that it is greater than 2, the probability of B given A is the probability of A intersection B divided by the probability of A. And the probability of A intersection B, well, A intersection B is 4, 6. What's the probability of getting 4 or getting 6? We have 2 out of 6, which reduces to 1/3, divided by the probability of A. Well, in A we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, so 4 out of 6. We have 2 out of 6 divided by 4 out of 6, which is 2 out of 6 times the reciprocal, times 6 out of 4, the 6's cancel. I have 2/4, the 2 reduces with the 4, and we have 1/2. For 1A, 1/2. For 1B, a multiple of 3 given that it is less than 5. The A is less than 5. We're looking for a number less than 5, and the B is a multiple of 3. But a number less than 5 on a die is 1, 2, 3, or 4, and multiples of 3 on a die are 3 and 6. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and 4 in here. Notice the 3 is common to both A and B, so I'm going to put the 3 in the middle. So 1, 2, here goes the 3 right here, and put the 4 over here. The 5 is neither in A or B, so I'm going to put the 5 out here somewhere, and then the 6 goes here. The probability of B given A is the probability of A intersection B divided by the probability of A. A intersection B is just the 3, right? So that's one number out of 6. It's going to be 1/6 divided by the probability of A, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in there, so 4 out of 6. 1/6 divided by 4 out of 6 is 1/6 times the reciprocal, 6/4. The 6's cancel, we have 1/4 as our answer. So the probability of a multiple of 3, given that it's less than 5, is 1 out of 4. Another way of thinking about this logically is, what are the numbers less than 4? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And which one is a multiple of 3? Well, there's only 3, so that's 1 out of 4. See? 1 out of 4. C, a factor of 6 given that it is even. The even numbers is A, and B is going to be the factors of 6, so the even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. Factors of 6, so 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, so 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of 6. What do they have in common? They have the 2 and the 6 are common. 2 and 6 are going to go here. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is going to go over here, and the 6 is common. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 goes over here. The 5 is in neither of these. I'm going to put the 5 on the outside, and the 6 goes right there. We're looking for B given A. The probability of B given A is the probability of A intersection B, which is 2 and 6, divided by the probability of A, which is 2, 6, and 4. So the probability of A intersection B, these two numbers, is 2 out of 6 divided by 3 out of 6. So 2, 6 divided by 3, 6 is 2, 6 times the reciprocal, 6/3. The 6's cancel. 2/3 is our answer. For D, the prime numbers are going to be B. The even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. The prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. 2 goes here. 1 is in neither, so it goes there. So 2, and then I'm going to put the 3 is going to go over here. The 4 is over there. The 5 is back here. And then the 6 is in even, so it's going to go over here. The probability of B given A is the probability of the intersection of A and B divided by the probability of A. A intersection B is just the 2, so that's one number out of 6. So that's 1 out of 6. The probability of A, there's 3 numbers out of 6, so 3 out of 6. 1 out of 6 divided by 3 out of 6 is 1 out of 6 times the reciprocal of the dividing fraction, so that's times 6 over 3. The 6's are going to cancel, and we're going to get 1/3 as our result. That's it for question number 1. Have a good day.